Yeah, you're poor. You're going for 1 hour, you don't have
The serving
the
is
This is a natural thing. This serving is good for...
Pintas lang kasi. 2 to 3% good person.
You make
Like,
gato.
for me, ito, a hotel, that's good for feeding program.
Nagtukit na clay pot, come on.
Alright. In a large period, saute the garlic and onion in a hot oil until brown. Then spoon the meat
Define
out from the
sile.
lid.
Jargon.
To the garlic onion mixture. Next, saute, then add the peanut butter, of course. Then add the shrimp paste or the bagoong, saute for 3 minutes.
You don't add the shrimp paste. It's when you're separate.
No, that is not...
It's different.
This is
This is not for human consumption. We have the
This is para commercial.
Still matabang. Don't worry.
Here's the last part to convey.
This is just to
We have separate
enhance
shrimp
the
paste
taste
also.
with the help of the shrimp paste.
Rasyon yan sa bilhin.
Now, add the onion and shrimp paste mixture. Mixture. To water, simmer for 10 minutes. Then add eggplants and string beans until tender. Which is here.
Oh, why?
Simmer for 5 minutes.
Why do you make
Then lastly, you can add the pechay. So it will be half
Pulutan version.
And of
Most
course,
important thing, the
suggested.
suggested
Good.
vegan price.
It would be good if you're gonna serve it with, of course, white rice, shrimp paste, and of course, Coke Zero.
Coke zero. Okay.
No calories.
Ganun paste it there. Put it there.